We want to thank Ms. Collins for everything that she has done for her past students, for her current students, and what she continues to do. You can tell she certainly has a passion, not just for teaching her students, but for really building relationships with them and letting them know that they have someone that cares about them, cares about their future, and wants to be a part of it. So with that, I would like to honor Ms. Collins with the Golden Apple, the WHAS 11 and LG&E KU ExCEL Award.
As you all know, I am not one who seeks the spotlight, so thank you for encouraging me to begin this journey. To the students of Farmer Elementary, you make coming to work a joy every morning. Thank you for inspiring me and driving me to be my absolute best. My biggest task each year is to deeply know my students and to show them that no matter what their challenge is, I am there for them and that we will face it together and we will overcome it. As John C. Maxwell said, students don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Thank you all very much.